Welcome back to the channel.
So it's Thanksgiving time, and we're going to be doing a fried turkey. Usually during Thanksgiving, we share our food with persons who are less fortunate.
Yeah.
Yeah, so sometimes we'll drive and take some food to the homeless persons.
Yeah.
Yeah. What does Thanksgiving mean to you, Riri?
Well, about sharing, caring, and sharing food with people that are homeless and less fortunate than us.
Yeah. Well, for me, I'm just thankful to God that He's kept my family safe during 2020, of course. And we have a shelter over our heads. We have food to eat. You're still able to go to school and just thank Him for all the blessings that He's given to us.
And listening to our prayers.
Are you ready to get into the kitchen?
Yes, I am. Totally ready.
So first things first, we are going to make our brine. Then I will also show you how we'll tie our turkey so it does not get burned. We're going to be explaining everything about how to fry a turkey. Alright, so this is how you tie your turkey. So you want to get the wings as close as possible together to our turkey's body. Okay. And you might have to go around another time just to make sure it's nice and secure. And also you want to make sure the legs are secure to our turkey. You want to cut our string for us, Riri?
Yes.
Cut here. There we go. Awesome. Great job, Riri.
Thank you. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please.
Alright, once your turkey's tied and prepared, we're going to place it in our brine. So we're going to poke some holes in our turkey, then place it in our brine. Poking the holes just so we can have pathways, easier pathways for the brine to be absorbed by the turkey. I want to make sure you get some holes in the breast. Alright, Riri, you want to open the cover for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this brine smells so good.
Where would I put it? Please. I want to do it. I want to do something. Wow, this is so cool.
And you're gonna leave your turkey in the brine overnight for best results. Cover it up.
Carefully. It's been 2 hours, guys.
Alright, so we're gonna get ready to fry our turkey. So very important, when you're deep frying your turkey, it must be completely thawed. And make sure you never ever deep fry your turkey inside your house. So you need an outdoor fryer, because if there's any amounts of ice in your turkey, you can cause an explosion and you will burn your house down or seriously injure yourself. So it's really important that you deep fry your turkey outside. So we are gonna get our fire ready. Right, Riri?
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're outside. Remember, we have to stay away from the house when we're about to fry our turkey. This is an example of our outside fryer. This is our deep frying pot and our burner connected to our gas. So very important, we got our thermometer. We gotta make sure our oil is at the right temperature and our turkey is fried to the right temperature. This is our hanger. We're gonna be putting our turkey on there to lower our turkey gently into our oil, because we don't want to burn ourselves and we also don't want to have an explosion from our turkey. We'll be using about 3 gallons of peanut oil. So we want our turkey to be covered when it's being fried. Let's fire it up. Turn our gas on. Turn our pilot on. Let's get going.
I thought I was supposed to run.
So we're gonna heat our oil to about 300 degrees and then we'll dip our turkey in. One more thing. So every year we cook our Thanksgiving dinner and we try to share with the homeless and the less fortunate. So I'm gonna challenge you to try this delicious recipe and try to feed at least one needy or homeless person this year. Checking our temperature. So we're gonna put our holder through our turkey. Slowly put your turkey down in your oil. So if your temperature gets too high, make sure you turn your fire down or turn it off, because we don't want our temperature to be above 300. We want it to be cooked evenly, but not burnt, with a nice golden brown color. Alright guys, so we're gonna fry our turkey for about 30 minutes. And once your temperature drops down to about 250, turn your fire back up or turn your fire back on so we can have an even frying for turkey. Let's get our holder out here. Right, nice and beautiful.
Can I taste? I've been waiting for this. Mmm.
Alright guys, I hope you liked the finished product. Remember, take up that challenge. Go ahead and feed someone who's less fortunate or homeless for this Thanksgiving.
Sharing is caring. Jamman.
Yeah, alright. Let's get going.
And give us lots and lots of likes and subscribe and lots of notifications. Bye.
Thanks for watching.